one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Anti-Mnangagwa police officer launches new political party, promising to end dictatorship, repression, and the long suffering of Zimbabweans. The 28th of August 2025, by CHAMISA, a retired senior police officer, Tigara Fambai, has officially launched a new opposition political outfit, the National Progressive Democrats, NPD, vowing to challenge ZANU-PF's dominance and end years of dictatorship and repression in Zimbabwe. Fambai, who recently retired from the police service, said his decision to form the party came after deep reflection on the country's political and economic decay. However, the move has sparked emotional reactions from his family, particularly his mother, Emily Tigara, who broke down in tears as she pleaded with him to abandon the risky path. Vanhu avavanarea mwanangu, wad erikundior jani BP, she reportedly cried, warning her son of the dangers of standing against the ruling party. In response, Fambai assured her that if death was to be his fate, then he was ready. He even marked out a burial site in Musvasvi village, Chivi South, where he instructed her to lay him to rest if he was killed. Posting on Facebook, Fambai explained his reasoning. ZANU-PF thrives on instilling fear into society. For how long should Zimbabweans live drenched in absolute fear of their government, just to keep an inept regime in power? If God allows me to die in the hands of the enemy, I will die. At the launch, Fambai appealed to security services not to interfere with his party's activities. We know the playing field is not going to be even. Those at the helm will not reform themselves out of power. But we are determined to see tyranny crippled to its knees, he said. The NPD, founded on the 29th of June and registered on the 14th of August 2025, has already gained traction, with more than 500 members signing up in less than 2 months. According to Vice President Kumbarai Munyaradzi Chenher, Organizing Secretary Munyaradzi Chindandu, also a retired police officer, declared that by 2028, the party will make a historic mark in Zimbabwe's political landscape, drawing inspiration from the late opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai. The party's leadership structure includes Willis Magwaza, Secretary General, Tendai Kabasa, National Chairman, Obert Sixpence, Spokesperson. Its symbol is a clenched fist with a thumb facing upwards, while its colors are orange, black, and white. Despite the risks, Fambai and his team insist they are ready to take on ZANU-PF head-on. We are really penetrating through our various strategies because we know their caliber, Fambai said, drawing on his decades of experience in law enforcement. Chindandu added that, by the end of 2025, the party would have provincial executives in all 10 provinces, preparing for the 2028 elections. The emotional launch has already sent ripples across Zimbabwe's political scene, with supporters praising Fambai's courage, while critics warn of the dangers ahead. What do you think about Fambai's bold move? Will the NPD survive long enough to challenge ZANU-PF in 2028?